In this video, we will learn how to download and install Python and execute our first Python program using the Python command line interface. To download Python, go to Google and type download Python, or go to https www.python.org/downloads and follow the instructions once you download the exe file. So go to Google and type download Python, or you can directly go to this web page. Depending on your operating system, choose the sections here. For Windows, click here. For Linux or Unix, click here. For Mac, click here. So 3.10.3 is the latest version when I'm recording this video. So this may change later depending on when you are watching this video. So click on download 3.10.3 and double click on it once you download the file, and make sure you select this checkbox, add Python 3.10 to path, so that way this will be added to the path environment variable. Select this checkbox and click on install now. So the setup is in progress. So the setup was successful. Click close. So once the installation is successful, to see if Python is added to the path environment variable, go to your system properties and click on advanced and click on environment variables. And if you notice here, you have a path environment variable added here. So double click on it. So you can see Python has been added to your path environment variable. So to check if Python is already installed on your machine, go to your command prompt and type Python -- version. So you can see Python 3.10.3, that is the installed version on this machine. So now let's try to execute our first Python program using the Python command line interface. So Python command line interface allows us to test only few lines of code, and it is not advisable to develop our programs using Python command line. So we have IDEs, that is integrated development environments, to develop and execute our Python programs. So now let's see how to open the command line interface. Either you can type Python or py depending on your machine. So let me type Python to enter into the command line interface. So now let's write our first Python program using the Python command line interface. So let me type print welcome to Python programming. Here we are using the print function to print the string welcome to Python programming, and hit enter. So now you can see welcome to Python programming string has been printed here, and we can use the exit function to come out of the Python command line interface. So in the next video, we will learn how to download and install PyCharm and execute our first Python program using PyCharm. Alright, see you in the next lecture.